Namaste and welcome back. Today is day 3 of our Wayanad trip, and today morning we are going to the Thirunelli Mahavishnu Temple. It is called the Kashi of the South, and it's a very sacred, auspicious temple. It's about 3000 years old. Yeah, and I think the most sacred ceremony which happens here is Pindadan, which is basically ritual in respect of your forefathers. So Pindadan is the most sacred ritual which this temple is famous for. Tirunelli is the only temple in the world where the devotees can perform all the rituals related to one's life, starting from birth to death and life after death. Legend has it that this temple is around 3000 years old and was built by Lord Brahma himself, as mentioned in the Puranas of Vedas. An interesting feature is the ancient aqueduct which transports water from a perennial spring deep inside the forest valley directly to the priest's chamber inside the temple. Post a quick lunch, we started driving towards our next destination for the day, the Wayanad Tea Museum. We are here at the Archery Tea Factory Tea Museum. It's an interesting place to come if you're in Wayanad. It is around 100 years old, established in 1911. It's very interesting to come and see all the old machinery, the artifacts which was used to produce tea during those times. Quite interesting visit. I would recommend it. Archery Tea Factory Tea Museum, and there are a few tea gardens in and around as well, which you can enjoy the scenery of. The best part about this place is the awesome tea bar that they have here. You should check it out. So right now we have come to check out a place called the Phantom Rock. It's around 30 kilometers from Kalpetta. It's an awesome viewpoint. It looks wonderful. Have a look. Jenny testing her rock climbing skills. Wow! Jenny managed to climb 5 meters and she's done it. So this is another view of Phantom Hill. There are people right on top here somewhere. I don't think the camera is being able to catch it. We're widening the lens right now. So right now we have come to meet Govindan Chatta. He's an archery master, and he's a award-winning archery exponent. He's been felicitated by the government as well, and he's quite renowned in Wayanad. So we've come to visit him. He's a display of his bows and arrows and we are going to check them out. Come, let's have a look. Awesome, this is Fifi trying out her bow and arrow skills. And she is being coached by Guruji himself. Now we have Anisha Singh venting. Awesome.
Awesome. Okay. Second shot. Wow! Bullseye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Impressed by Fifi's natural flair for archery, Guruji decided to surprise her with a gift.
Overwhelmed. So I got a free gift from Guruji, 3 arrows and 1 bow. And I've been wanting to learn archery for a very, very long time, and I finally have it. I did learn few tactics there with Guruji's help, so I can practice every day now. Well, I need to find the place first. I am not over exaggerating or anything, but I am shaking. I am honestly shaking because I got this, which I wanted for a very long time. Shaking with excitement and a lot of happiness. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, and if you have come this far, please like and subscribe definitely. It is really appreciated.